Hello dear students, now you just see questions number next, that is question number 7 of GST. Okay, this is question number 7. So of ICSE board class 10, what is question? Question is given: a manufacturer buy raw materials worth 8,000 paying GST at a rate of 5%. Okay, he sells the finished product to a dealer at a rate of 25%. Now after finishing the product, he sells at 25% profit. Here you can see that the product dealer at a rate of 25%. Okay, the GST charged for the finished product is 12%. Find the net GST paid by the manufacturers to the government if the sale is intra-state. Here also sale is given intra-states. Okay, so rate of 25%, here profit is given, so you can write at a profit of 25%. you can write dealer at a profit, you can write here it is profit given. Okay, so now 8,000 worth is given, so you can write CP is equal to 8,000. Now 25% of 8,000 you have to find out, so 25% of 8,000 rupees will be equal to 25 into 8,000 divided by 100. Okay, so you can multiply, cancel out 0 and 0, 8 5 yeah 2, so you can write 2,000 rupees. Okay, so SP will be CP plus profit. So 8,000 rupees plus 2,000 rupees will be equals to 10,000 rupees. Okay, so this will be 10,000 rupees. Now here you can see that 5% GST is here at a rate of 5%. At raw materials it is GST has to pay it, and it is given intra-state, means two type of GST have to pay. So you can write input CGST is equal to 8,000 into 5 by 200. Okay, this is the formula, you can cancel out here 40, so 200, and input SGST will also equal to 200 rupees. Now output GST is you have to find out, so output GST in the finished product, output GST is given 12%. Okay, so output CGST will equals to 10,000 rupees into 12 by 200. Okay, so here cancel out, here you can see, so 600 rupees, and output SGST will also equal to 600 rupees. Now you see what is the question: find the net GST paid by the manufacturer. So how much GST, net GST paid by the manufacturer? Net GST means output GST minus input GST. So net GST, which kind of GST? CGST paid by manufacturer. Manufacturer is equal to output CGST minus input CGST will equals to 600 minus 200 is equal to 400, and there will be same also net SGST will equals to also same. So this is the answer of the question number 7. Now we will see the next questions. If you have any kind of doubt, so you can ask. So see the next questions, here is also ready. So question number 8, a manufacturer buys raw material of 12,000 rupees paying GST 5%, sells finished product to a dealer in another state. So at a profit of 30%, the GST charged for the finished product is 18%. Find the net tax paid by the manufacturer. It is also very easy, but one thing you have to remember again and again, and you have to see, focus on it. It is given another state. Okay, so IGST you have to find out. So worth is given, means CP is given, how much? 12,000 rupees. No problem, you just write here. Now rate of GST paid, how much GST here he has to pay? Rate of GST paid means in another state, so IGST. So IGST is equal to 12,000 into 5 by 100. So you can see 600. Okay, so here 600. Again, sells finished product to a dealer in another state at a profit of 30%. Now he will sell it at a profit of how much? He will sell at a profit of 30%. So find out 30% of 12,000. 30% of 12,000 rupees is equal to 30 into 12,000 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel out, 12 3 ja 36, this one. So SP, so SP equal to CP plus profit. Okay, so this will be 12,000 plus 3,600 rupees, 15,600 rupees. This is the SP. Now here you have to find out the profit, GST. GST how much given? 18%. So IGST, output, you just write output IGST is equal to 15,600 into 18 by 100. You just multiply this one. So 18 8 ja 108, 10, 18 5 ja 90, 100. Here you can write 0, and again 18 1 ja 18, and 10 28. Okay, so net question is given that find the net tax paid by the manufacturers to the government. So net tax paid by manufacturer is equal to net is equal to output IGST minus input IGST is equal to, you can write here how much output IGST, here 2,808 minus how much input 600 is equal to 2,208 rupees. So 2,200, this is net tax paid by the manufacturer. Okay, so this is the questions. If solution of these questions, if you have any kind of doubt, you can comment it. Thank you.